In the Bible, Jesus said that, he says, destroy this temple and in 3 days I'll rebuild it. And it says that was talking about them killing him, and he come back in 3 days, which turned out to be 3.5. It also talks about there being 14 generations from the time one thing happened to another, and 14 generations to the next thing that happened. So it's possible Jesus was talking about in 3 periods of time he would rebuild the temple. How long was his generation? Well, in the Bible it says that the Israelites were in the desert for 42 years, and that was so that everybody that left Egypt died in the wilderness and never got to enter the promised land. So that would be a generation. So if you take 42 times 14 for one generation times 14 generations equals 588 years. If you take 588 years times 3.5, 3.5 times, you come up with 2058, the year 2058. But the temple wasn't destroyed until 70 AD, so if you add 70 years to that, you come up with 2128. So by what, if I am figuring right, and I have no idea, that by those numbers, Jesus could very possibly going to be rebuild the temple in around the year 2128. It says nobody knows the hour or the day, but these clues could have been left so that we would know the year, or at least the time.